So this is totally unexpected. The marketing of Jimmy Choo, I know. Just reach out to me and see if I want to produce some photography content for them. They asked me to choose a pair of boots and I am so over the moon. So follow me, let's go to the Jimmy Choo store. I can't wait to show you what I picked. So here we are at Jimmy Choo. This is the first and only Jimmy Choo we have in New Zealand, and it opened 6 months ago. So let's go. Have a look, which one? And 2 hours later. Okay, so we have 2 items in here. It was supposed to be 1, but sometimes accident happens. Let's not dwell on small little tiny details. Let's move on to unboxing. So this is box number 1. I will save this for later. I'll show you what this is. Okay, so this is chosen by Andrew, great husband. And I didn't expect to pick this one at all because in my mind, I wanted a knee-high boot and then something else happened. Regardless, I'm a happy girl, no complaint. So, that's the, look at it later. And then that's the dust bag. Ready? Ta-da! Did you see that coming? Look at the details. Oh my god.
Mine.
If you're like,
Oh, this is just a fancy Doc Martens. What's the big deal?
wait right there. Just wait right there. I will put it on and style it up and you can see the difference. This is like a good dressy shoes that is also comfy at the same time. If you think this is just like a Doc Marten.
No.
If you want to go out with a cute dress like this, but you are too exhausted to put on any high heels, this is a much better choice than Doc Martens. Come on, look at this embellishment. It will also elevate and give your dressy dress a little rock and roll kind of vibe without dressing the whole look down. And because I'm short and I love to show my legs, these are perfect to go with mini dresses. I will show you what I mean. But we have this to unbox before that. Okay, this has nothing to do with the photo shoot, but okay, I can't justify myself. It looks pretty, alright?
Bad, Aki. Bad. But
Let's move on. So, this little box. Oh my goodness. I just went to Jimmy Choo heaven. So this is the bonbon bag and this is 6,350. It's a really good evening bag and it fits cell phone. It fits my cell phone, so that is very important.
I thought it looked really cute.
I'm trying to find reason to justify my purchase, but no reason. Okay, life is short. There's no point wasting time feeling guilty. I will make that money back. But in the meantime, let's move on to the styling session. First of all, I love the fact that these shoes can be dressy or casual, and that makes them very versatile. And I want to show you this outfit with a pair of heels versus these boots. Imagine there will be the days that I'm too exhausted, I'm too tired to wear heels, but I don't want any sneakers or Doc Martens to make it too casual. I still want that dressy look, so that's when I put on these ones. I'll show you. Ta-da! See what I mean? It's like that rock chick kind of vibe. And this is the front, this is the back. And of course, we need the bonbon bag. Ta-da! Did you see? This is a vibe. Like dressy, but badass at the same time. What do you think? And of course, how is one outfit enough? Let me show you another outfit to go with these shoes. Another mini dress, of course. Stay right there. This is an old ASOS dress. Like, so cool, eh? It is so old that it started to have like patches like this. But I don't care. I'm still loving it. Earrings? Yeah, let's do that. More is more. Do we still go with the bonbon bag? Yes. Yes, we need all the blings. Ta-da! Party time. And now I'm gonna show you how these shoes look like with, let's say, a blazer look. Let's get changed. Cruella. Accessories. Pearl necklace. These are from a New Zealand brand called Silk and Steel. Bag. This cutie. Yeah, let's try this on. Ta-da! That's a look. That's a look. What do you think? Okay, lastly, I want to try these shoes with a casual look. And then I'm happy. So, let's do this. So, these are just a jumper from Andrew, but what's his is mine. And what's mine, it's also mine. So that's how marriage works, okay? Do we need a bag? Let's try these. Ta-da! There we go. I call this look the supermarket chic. This is the kind of outfit you can wear with these shoes to go to the supermarket, run errands, pay bills, pick up kids. Casual, but still chic and stylish. Sort of stylish, but so comfy. So comfy. So comfy. Yep, comfy, versatile, can be dressy, can be casual. What not to love? So yeah, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I am now off to photograph these beautiful boots. Have a lovely day, and before you move on, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And if you want to see any daily updates, follow me on Instagram. Have a lovely day. Hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!